Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, just a quick update. Nothing happened here, unfortunately, around the weekly candle close. I mean, we still have a few minutes, but I'm not expecting a much of price action anymore. It should have normally already started, but we'll see. I mean, we are still in the triangle. This is just a perspective here on the microstructure we wanna do, because not much happened. So we are still in this Elliott Wave triangle. This is my primary wave count. One more low expected, targeting 1533 to 1455 next on the way down. These are the two next fib levels. We are watching, or we view this as a wave 4 currently, which would result in a so-called wave 5, so one more low, then the pattern is full. This wave 4 could be a triangle. Oftentimes a wave 4 is a triangle, so we see this as an A, B, C, D, E structure. Yeah, and the question is now, is the D wave already in or not? It could be in, because it's obviously moving higher already, potentially forming this E wave here, but this is really impossible to say. So we could say the E wave is already running, or if we get another flush, that could be the last wave of the D wave, yeah, before we move higher in the E wave. Whatever is going to happen here, I mean, don't think you can predict, those smallest waves. That's just not possible. However, we can identify here an ideal roadmap and small micro resistance levels. And next resistance here on the way up is at 1667. If price breaks above that, I would assume we're already in the E wave. Until then, it could be that we still put in the last wave down within the D wave before it goes higher in the E wave. You need to understand the structure within such a triangle. So a triangle is a 5-wave move, and each of the subwaves, A, B, C, D, E, is a corrective structure. Corrective structures in Elliott Wave mean that they are typically ABC structures. They can be a bit more complex, like a WXY. I'm counting the D wave as a complex WXY structure. It's certainly valid, but above 1667, this will get unrealistic. And then I would rather give the view that we're already in the E wave primary thought, primary perspective. Yeah, and essentially, even if we go on the micro level lower and then higher and then down, or if we go down directly, this is all part of our base case. In the base case, we expect one more low, and the relevant resistance level is 1724. So you can see that here it's the 50% retracement level, and ETH has respected this resistance area now for the last few days and couple of weeks. You can see it here, how the price has touched the 38.2 fib level on the 23rd of August, and also here actually on the 20th of August. It has been respected on the 19th of August as well. So it is a key level for a wave 4. I wouldn't rule out another test maybe in the E wave. The price goes higher but stays below the previous swing high and then comes down. But honestly, this is a messy triangle. I like the look of it. Yeah, I mean, triangles are messy, but I like the look of it. Bitcoins as well. It is, in my opinion, a fairly clear triangle. And we have a clear breakout point here to the downside, and the breakout point to the downside is 1591. That is the B wave low, and a break below that level should finally send us down lower. It's very boring. I mean, I said it today in the member live stream that Bitcoin, Ethereum over the last couple of days, they've had a phase change. I mean, these super long and boring sideways consolidations. I mean, I've been analyzing the crypto market now for 7 or 8 years. I mean, when I got in crypto, it was different. But you recognize those changes in behavior, and you have to adjust your strategies over the years, right? But the crypto market has never been that boring. It has never, ever been that boring. I mean, even in bear markets, I mean, what you see here is just a pump, right, for a day or two, or a drop for a day or two. And then you see those weeks and weeks and weeks of really, really boring price action. feels really a bit depressing, and it's got worse, right? Now, what hasn't changed is the volatility. Yeah, let's say the yearly volatility, for example. But we just need more patience. But it is just so much more boring. I mean, I sincerely hope we're gonna see another change of this. But wow, I mean, this is really, really getting boring. At least it makes it very clear when we are in an impulse versus a correction. It hasn't always been that crystal clear, but oh dear, I mean, this is just, it has been pretty boring this year anyway. But I sincerely hope we finally get a bit of movement in, maybe tomorrow, maybe, well, now this week. But yeah, not much more to add. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.